If you've ever had an ad being banned on Meta, this video is going to change your life. Everyone thinks Meta is this demon who is just not going to let you run ads, but it is quite the opposite. The more ads you run, the more revenue you make, the more Meta makes. It obviously just wants a space that is friendly, that is safe, and that is welcoming for everybody so that no spammers can get their way. But I'd be lying if I didn't tell you this. I wanted to run ads myself for the longest time because I know what ads can do for your low-ticket digital product business, but I was scared to hell. And obviously, I didn't want my ad account to go down or my entire account or business to go down with it. And that's why I created my Meta Ad Validator. You can either give it an idea and it is going to give you a Meta compliant ad script, primary text, CTA and exactly what to speak. Or you can run your ad creatives through it and it will tell you a risk score based on which it will recommend all of the changes so that your ads are super compliant, super visible, high ROI. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build your own Meta Ad Validator and your own AI chatbots. Meta Ad Validator is simply an AI chatbot which is a plug-and-play system. You can enter your ad creatives into it and it is going to give you a risk and compliance score. Based on the risk, it is going to suggest all the changes you can make to make your ad safe and super compliant. Super compliant ads equals super visible ads equals super revenue for your business. This validator is changing the game for me and my clients and I'm so excited for you to see it. Let's get started with this, but if you're new here to the whole chatbot space, you should know that you can create custom GPTs within ChatGPT as well. However, you cannot sell them in the market except for the GPT market, and that is why the tool that I use is called Mindpile. I have a whole tutorial on how I create $1,000 a day with AI chatbots, and exactly in that tutorial I teach you how to create that custom GPT for yourself using ChatGPT. So if you want to go and watch that video, it's on my page. It's called How to Make $1,000 a Day with AI Chatbots. This is exactly how I've created my chatbot, that is Nia, my content assistant, and then my Instagram content validator. Today I'm going to teach you exactly how I created my Meta Ad Validator. This is the tool that I use. It's called Mindpile and it is surprisingly so easy. You can literally set everything up in less than a day. This is Mindpile and let's get into the pricing. This is what I like about Mindpile. The subscription fee is really low, especially if you're a solopreneur. You don't have to worry about creating custom bots and then having a fat price for subscription. Also, I recommend that if you're selling custom chatbots, because there are AI credits to be used by the language models and by the GPT, so you keep a subscription model for these bots. So the subscription will pay for your subscription fee, and that's how this whole thing becomes $0 investment for you. So if you're totally new in this space and you're not sure about the subscription fee and you're just trying it out, you can use Mindpile for free. You can use the 100 credits for free. Signing up to Mindpile is fairly easy. Just click on the Get Started button and on the next page you can continue with Google or you can sign up with your email address. It is free and it is simple to get started with. If you already have an account, you can directly sign in or you can click on the sign up button to get started and create your account. I already have an account, so I'll just get started and log in to show you exactly what I do with Mindpile. So this is what Mindpile looks like. All you have to do is go to agents and get started creating your chatbots. The great thing I like about Mindpile is there are tons of templates that already exist. So there is a chance that if you have an idea in mind, there's already a template to create an agent out of it. For example, click on template and use any of these. Let's say you're just starting a LinkedIn page, you're starting to create your brand on LinkedIn and you need an agent that can write custom posts for your LinkedIn page. You just have to click on it. It is already there. Now, of course, when you select it, you will have to update this entire agent, or you can simply get started from new and you can create it from scratch. Even that is not difficult, but let me show you how to customize a template. So you click on the agent that you want to duplicate, click on the three dots and click on duplicate. Now you have a duplicate agent and all you have to do is create this custom background. This is you. This is exactly how you want your agent to perform. So you have to give a background of your business, your brand, your profile and your target audience. You will already get a gist of everything that you need to put in here. Make sure that you put as many details about your business as possible. You can always update this background. So this is the background that you give, then this is the output format that you give. So if you want a table, if you want a post, if you want certain words, if you also want to pair it up with a picture that of course you will upload, all of that output format you can also give to Mindpile. And then here are the knowledge sources. So this is where you select all of the knowledge sources. If you have to create a new knowledge source, just click on this and then you upload a file. So let's say you have a document, you have purchased an ebook from somewhere on how to grow on LinkedIn. You can get that ebook and upload that ebook to Mindpile. This is one of the greatest hacks. So if you are someone who feels bored reading ebooks, get an ebook, upload it to an AI agent, ChatGPT or Mindpile, and then talk to your AI bot and it will teach you everything. And this is how you create a knowledge source. So any ebook, any PDF, any file, or if you just want to write instructions down, create a PDF and upload it in the knowledge source. Once you do that, your bot will be ready to go. That is how simple it is to update a template. But if you don't want to update a template and you want to create an agent from scratch, let's say you don't have anything right here, all you have to do is click on new. You want to create a new agent or a new folder. Within a folder, of course, this is just the organization. We're going to click on new agent. And then even then you have an option to generate with AI, but you only have to share what is the job to be done. And of course, if you have an example of the output, you can provide that and it will provide you the custom bot. Also, you can chat with their own AI to build your agent. It is so simple that you really don't have to get started from scratch, and you see how easy it is. You just have to answer a few questions, you have to provide a few prompts. It is super non-technical, super beginner friendly, and that's what I like about Mindpile. Once you have your agent ready, let's say we have our agent ready, which is the LinkedIn post writer. All you have to do, if you want to update the agent, great, you click on update and you update the agent. So this is how your agents are ready to be used. Once you are done with creating an agent, you have to create a chatbot. AI is just an agent that works in the backend, but the chatbot is something that will interact with your user. So you go to chatbots and then you click on new chatbot, and here you enter all of the information that you want to provide to your chatbot. So you enter the name, the tags, the descriptions, all of the functional settings. Now this is, I can write it down 1 second. LinkedIn BFF. All of that is ready. Whatever is mandatory, fill it out. This is the name that people will see, or you can sell it with. This is important. In the functional settings, you now have to select the agent that you have created that is going to give custom responses to your users or even to you if you have created for personal use. So select an agent, and I'm going to use LinkedIn post writer. And then this is user info collection. If you want to collect user info, if you want to enable it or disable it. Then the chat interface. If you want to remove Mindpile branding, you will have to have a pro account. You cannot do that, but you can change the brand colors and everything. And here you can see all of the mandatory stuff. You of course have to write them down, but this is how easy it is. I'm going to write, hey, what can I write for you today? Perfect. Just a question. And then access and security, you can enable custom domain. So if you don't do that, the domain will be chatbot.getmindpile.com/LinkedInBFF. But if you want to enable a custom domain, you can do that. I have enabled custom domain, so my domain is passiveincomeparidhi.com, and that is how it shows. And that's it. Your chatbot is now ready to use. Now I'm going to show you exactly what my Meta Ad Validator does and how you can get started. If you are someone who's running ads, I highly recommend it. It is such a game changer. My opportunity score, my safety score is literally 99 to 100%, which is such a blessing. Let's go there. So this is my website from where you can access all of my courses and all of my smart bots, and just click on explore. Once you click on explore, you can see all of the smart bots that I have created. All of them are hosted on Mindpile, and you can see that avoid expensive ad rejections with Meta Ad Validator. You can check it out. We have two plans. One is that you can try it for one time for less than $1, or you can subscribe monthly or yearly, all up to you. Once you try it, you land on my Meta Ad Validator, which is as simple as that. You type your primary text that will appear. Reduce ad rejections. Let's say I'm creating an advertisement for my Meta Ad Validator, and this is what I do: reduce ad rejections with Meta. This is the primary text. You continue. It's going to ask you a series of questions on what you want to create the ad on, and what is it about, and then it is going to give you everything. The content description that I give is, I was in the same place every day, ads rejected every day, but then I found the Meta Ad Validator and I was able to look at the issues before posting, and my risk score is 0 now. It's just a random script that I'm giving to the validator. And then you provide the description. So this is a long description exactly of what the validator does. I'll just pop it in and come back to you. So far, I have had 0 ad rejections and I've had 0 policy violations. And my Meta Ad Validator combined with my Instagram content validator literally bulletproofs all of my organic content and meta ad content, so that I'm playing it safe, I'm playing it by the rules, and I'm still making money in the background. And now the validator is going to tell you, is going to do a full compliance assessment, and it is going to share all of the meta policies and validate your script, your inputs against the meta policies, and it is going to give you a risk score. So we don't use any scripts that have a risk score of more than 10. The higher the score, the higher risk you have of getting banned or your ads being rejected, and that's why it is moderate risk. You can try if you want it. I don't recommend it, and we don't use it. And then it is going to give you a risk score not just for the primary text for every element that you just entered. So the description, the text, the headline, and even the CTA. So the CTA risk score is 0, that's fair to use. Overall score is still low, that's 20, that's awesome. But now it's also going to give you recommendations on what to improve so that you can bulletproof your ad. And this is how the Meta Ad Validator is such a game changer. If you want to try it out for less than $1, I'll link it in the description. Let's go. And that's it. That's how easy it is to build your own AI chatbots in even your own ad compliance chatbot, so that you never run into any issues. If you want to try a Meta Ad Validator, I'll link it in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.